Have you ever wondered how to make money online? Well, welcome to the world where the internet isn't just a tool for communication or entertainment. It's a vast marketplace brimming with opportunities for those who know where to look. Today, we'll delve into 5 websites that can help you earn money online. Firstly, there's Upwork. Upwork is a platform that connects freelancers with clients. To use Upwork, you'll need to create a profile listing your skills, experience, and hourly rate. Once your profile is set up, you can begin to bid on jobs that match your skills and interests. It's important to write a compelling proposal for each job you apply for, detailing how you can provide value to the client. Remember, on Upwork, your reputation is everything. Make sure to deliver high-quality work on time to earn positive reviews, which can lead to more job opportunities. Next, we have Online Jobs PH. This is a website that caters specifically to employers looking to hire Filipino workers. To get started, create a profile, list your skills and experiences, and upload your resume. Once that's done, you can start applying for jobs. Online Jobs PH works a bit differently from other freelancing websites. Here, employers typically post the salary they're willing to pay, and you can decide whether or not to apply for the job based on that information. Fiverr is another great platform for freelancers, but it operates a bit differently. Instead of bidding on jobs, you create gigs offering your services. For example, you might create a gig offering to design logos, write blog posts, or even record voiceover work. It's essential to create a detailed description for your gig, including what you offer, how much it costs, and how long it will take to deliver. As with Upwork, positive reviews are crucial, so ensure you deliver high-quality work every time. TaskRabbit is an excellent option if you're looking for more hands-on work. This platform connects taskers with people in their local area who need help with tasks like moving, cleaning, or assembling furniture. To become a tasker, you'll need to register, attend an orientation, and then you can start accepting tasks. Each task will have a set price, and once you complete it, you'll get paid. Last but not least, there's Zirtual. Zirtual is a website that provides virtual assistant services to businesses, entrepreneurs, and busy professionals. As a Zirtual assistant, you might be handling tasks like scheduling appointments, managing social media accounts, or conducting research. To join Zirtual, you'll need to apply, go through an interview process, and if accepted, you'll be matched with clients that fit your skills and experience. In summary, the internet provides a wealth of opportunities to earn money. Whether it's through freelancing on Upwork or Fiverr, finding local gigs on TaskRabbit, or providing virtual assistants through Zirtual, there's something for everyone. So, why wait? Start exploring these websites today and see where your skills can take you.